Okay, so hello everybody. I am basically new to the channel. First time recording. I'm using my iPhone 8, so please no hate comments or any shade or anything. I'm basically doing a demo for people that love their uh, old machines, their Hoover Windtunnel or TwinChambers. For example, I just bought mine from a Facebook marketing place for $15. Let me switch the camera around. I will be doing a demo on this. It actually is a little quite loud, I will say. I just basically took all the dirt and everything and put it right there. Also a mess test. Also needs to be cleaned up again. But other than that, my videos, I'm going to start doing videos, and all of them will be totally different. They all will not be the same over and over and over again type of stuff. I'm trying to do things a little different from other people. I'm just going to be basically doing a little bit of everything, my life, and what all I do. So, just during my spare time. But, yeah, I guess, okay, let's get started. Also, I'll be doing a little, demonstration and giving some advice for those of you that have this machine out there that some of you may own. I would advise if your machine is running a little bit like this, if I can get it to go, then... Okay, so if your machine is loud, kind of like that, basically what you're going to want to do, and by the way, this is the Hoover Windtunnel TwinChamber. I'm not really sure what year it came out or how old it is. I just know it's a super old machine. But if any of you guys own this machine out there, and you guys really enjoy this machine, and you would do anything to keep it around, I suggest that you basically want to keep in contact with all vacuum stores. You do not want to quite give up. I had contacted a vacuum shop not too far from me, and they said at first, your bearing is going out. You need your vacuum is going to die. No, I called every single vacuum shop out there, and I got a hold of this one vacuum store I recommend if you're around the Indianapolis area. I recommend that you check A1 Vacuum Store out if you definitely have a favorite vacuum, or, you know, anything that you own that there is possibly nothing that they do not own or work on. They practically work on a lot of different machines. But I would highly suggest A1 Vacuum Shop. If you have one in your area, go for it, because of I took my vacuum up there to have it checked out, and the guy took it apart. He definitely said, well, first of all, your belt needs to be replaced. So I definitely whenever I went up there to get the belt replaced, it sounded a lot better, and it picked up so much better, and that horrible smell was gone. And then he took and looked at the rest of his stuff, and he said, most of your noise is coming from the brush roll. So now I gotta worry about that. And that's a quite expensive thing to replace. So now I gotta work on getting that replaced. But other than that, this vacuum works perfect. So if you have a machine out there that is around the same age as this or has been around longer, and you have different vacuum shops telling you different things, if you have an A1 vacuum shop in your area, I suggest that, because the one that I went to has been open for around 60 years. 60 plus years, I think. I can't remember, but this is normally what I also do after I get done cleaning and everything. I just relax and everything else. I do not have any equipment to edit this video or anything, but I'm just going to basically put it out there. Oh, do not view this unless you are 18 years and older, because I suggest this nicotine, and that I don't really necessarily recommend people to do that stuff. But yeah, this is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.